Rotterdam. Kay diri guys, kailang i-test kung gi-TB baka. So kinanglan ko kuwag sample sa puton sa nasiyo ay spioto mangguro. Spioto mangguro kay para sa TB test. Dugay rami nagpa-set og schedule ay appointment pero karon man ang giset ni appointment. So dapat ang TB test day guys, kung mani ka sa Netherlands 3 months na within 3 months ay mong pag-abot dapat mahumanan nimo. So ako 1 month pa man ko kapin. So amo na siyang buhaton karon akong banaw na siya nag-work from home siya tungod sa
see me working how hard. Oh yeah.
Working. Okay, init kay diri guys. Salamat sa Ginoo. Nindot kay panahon. Spring is waving. Dago kay ko gisi kay talag sarap ko makagawa sa balay. Ba, init kaayo, nindot kay panahon. Kita na ninyo.
Init kayo.
Init kayo, nindot kay panahon.
6 Celsius, init kayo.
Tsada kayo kay nakita ang adlaw pero ang tinuod guys 6 degrees Celsius ra karon. Pero medyo naka-adjust na ko light sa mga katugnaw diri nga lugar. So, para sa ako init na ni siya basta naisan. So na kay ni padagan ang bana. Ang mga appointment guys 10 alas 10 pa. Pero karon 9:16 pa pero gadali mi kay amo man nga makita mi parking space. Okay guys, nanawag ang dentist sa akong bana, mouth hygienist day. Okay, dentist and mouth hygienist. Today supposedly is scheduled for mouth hygienist and dentist. Pero gi-cancel na niya long time ago in Bethlehem. Pero nasayop man sila dito. Nasayop sila. Dili ingon nga nasayop, parang nalimtan nila cancel ang old no appointment nga nanay bagong appointment. So gitawagan na siya dentist. Rotterdam guys. Ano sa Rotterdam, south of Rotterdam. No, di pareha sa ato ang pwede ra ta maka-overtake no bisag orange pag orange nang suga, dagan gyapon ta bisag tunga na sa red ug orange, dire na mas mahal na siya bayad daw guys kaysa sa overspeeding. Oy. My god. Yay, green na. Ito na may
naar de Dordtselaan, is 122.
Rotterdam.
Flauwe bocht naar links naar de Dordtselaan, is 122.
Flowers blooming. Rotterdam,
Just wait. There goes the subway. Left up.
Subway. That's the Zuidplein subway.
That's the one starts at Zuidplein, goes to the center. Oh, it starts already before Zuidplein, but for us the closest stop is Zuidplein. If we go by bus from the island, when I was young, for example, we would go on the subway in Zuidplein.
Yeah. E-stop, red light. Red light. Kita mo na guys, bisag syudad dagan kay bike. Oh, bike diri guys, bike. Tabak shop. The Smoke Smart Shop. Afro-Caribbean's Beauty. Cosmetics. Tropical. I can't read.
This is actually a bad part, Mel.
Nice. Kana ilalom silang tulay. O, walay bandal guys. Ang adin art. Nice kayo. Art. Oh, kita mo na. Kana.
Stop.
Rotterdam. Oh, dagko kayong building guys. Dagko kayong building.
Bridge.
Narang bridge guys.
Where is it?
Oh.
Because I remember when we had the dance parade with dance music, and the parade crossed the bridge, and everybody started jumping on the bridge, and all the bridge would go.
Really?
Yeah. See it? I'm not sure. It's a bit too far.
Tag-as kayo guys. Taga-bukid lang yung ipik no. The first time pa kami nagani Rotterdam Centrum. Pero mirami guys, tugnaw kaayo guys. Nami sa Maritime Museum. Kita mo na. Oh. It was built on 1950. Na guys. Moy. May pa sa anino guys, kitaas pa ko. That is the
Now there is no one coming.
okay. Wow, that's it.
Nearby. This is the hospital.
Hospital. The white one?
The white one is the Erasmus hospital, which is
Over 300 meter
with a
flauwe
medical
bocht naar links
university.
naar het Droogleverfortuinplein, de S100. Loopwerkkeuze om schuin linksaf te slaan bij de Westzeedijk, de S114, Oorden naar Maastunnel.
Where should I go? Maybe here? I don't know.
Going home na mi guys. Dali na kaayo. So, makauwi gamay. Thank you for watching guys. Tugnaw kaayo. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe and like.